Yes. Anime, not that much. What date is today? Today is first. Let's wait for your friends online, okay? And then first, before we start the class, silence. Before we start the class, I'm gonna take attendance, okay? Good morning, Otto.
Good morning, teacher.
Good morning. Let's wait for more students because I only have Otto in the class. We have around how many students? Let me see, okay? We have around 17 students, right? So let's wait. In the class, only 7.
Good morning, teacher.
Good morning, Frau. Frau. Online students, I will take attendance, okay? First, I will take attendance. How does other teachers do? Do they take attendance before the class or after the class? How does your teacher take attendance? Do they do it before the class or after? Before, right? Okay, let's wait for 1 more minute, okay? Do you have your books, everyone? Okay. Okay, it's already 8:12, so I will take attendance. Okay, please, if you're present, say present, okay? Okay, first one is Ton. Are you here? Okay. How about Prao is here, right? Online. Tata. Online, but I don't see it here. I don't see him here. Right? So let's see if he will come to class or not. Okay. O4. Online. Hold on. Okay, online students, I'll try to share the screen, okay, so that you see the attendance sheet and stuff here. Offer is not here. P online. Okay. How about Kaimuk? Online. Okay. Utu is here, right? Okay, Utu. Huang Song, who is it? You? Huang Fu, right? You? Okay, sorry. Okay, how about Kao Plong? Okay. How about Alex? Okay. Matthew. Online. Okay. That's okay. Dean. Dean? Online? Okay, I can see only 2 of you online. Plawan. Win. Hat online, he's not here yet. How about Pang? Okay. Try to save this. Okay. Let's see if they join later. So last week, what have we been learning about last week? Atoms, right? We have been learning about chemical equations, right? Do you still remember? Yes, right. Okay. Online students, please let me know if you don't see the screen, okay? Let's try to share this. Last time we learned about chemical equation, chemical reaction, right? Chapter, which is chapter 4. Before we learn that, we learned what elements and compounds means, right? So the elements are the substances that cannot be broken down into any other substances by any chemical means. Is known as elements. Okay. For example, can you guys give me some example of elements? No? Anyone? No? It's iron. It's written here. You can see it, right? The examples here are iron, gold, silver, copper. Yes, there are like how many? Hundreds of them, okay? But we will not learn all of them. We will just pick some of them and learn it, okay? And about the compounds, right? Compound is the combinations of two or more elements, right? Combinations of two chemical elements, okay? Two different kinds of elements combining together, okay? For example, water, carbon dioxide, and chlorine, right? So CO2 is the combination of what? Carbon and oxygen, right? So when we combine carbon and oxygen together, we get carbon dioxide, right? Okay. And we also learned about the chemical reactions that happens in our daily life, right? One is the rusting of irons, right? The chemical reaction that happens in daily life. One is the chemical reaction. Another one is burning of candles. I can see someone joining. Opur. Okay. Another chemical reaction in daily life is what is it? Photosynthesis, right? This is just a recollection of what we have learned in our last class, okay? Another one is the acid rain, right? And also we learned about the reactant and product, right? For example, reactant means before the chemical reaction forms, right? It is what we start with, okay? It's known as reactant, okay? And the product is the new substances formed after chemical reaction is known as product. Understand? Yes? Please let me know if you don't get it, okay? For example, right? Can you see the reactant will always be on the what side? I remember telling you this last week as well. The reactant will always be on the left-hand side or right-hand side. It's left-hand side, right? And the product will always be on the right-hand side. You can see, for example, X plus Y is the reactant and A plus B is the product, okay? And we did this. Did you write this down? All of you, right? Okay. Today we will start with chemical equation. This is our topic for today's class, okay? Online students, can you see it? Hello, online students, can you see the screen? Otto, can you see the screen?
Yes.
Okay, please let me know if you don't see it, okay? So, what is it? Chemical equation, okay. Chemical equation can be defined, listen here. Chemical equation can be defined as the representation of, what is it? Chemical formula, right? Chemical formula and chemical symbols. So we're gonna look at chemical symbols and chemical formula. So for that, I want you guys to write it down. Did you guys write this down last time? Not yet, right? There is like 10 of them. I will let you guys write down. So here, can you see this? Chemical symbol, right? It's the representation of elements here, okay? For hydrogen, what is the chemical symbol of hydrogen? Does anyone know? Yes? Yes. Right, very good. H, right? Does anyone know the chemical element, chemical symbol of copper? C, very good. It's C, okay, Cu, sorry. How about magnesium? It's Mg, okay. So I want you guys to write this down. Online students, I want you guys to write this down, okay? There is like 10 of them. Because we're going to be using this later on for solving the answer. So please write it down. Do you have your book? Another book? Do you have your book? Not in the workbook right now. Online students, can you please write this down? I have like 10 elements for you guys, okay? 10 elements and 10 chemical symbols. Next week, maybe I will test you guys, okay? On the symbols, chemical elements and symbols, both. I'm gonna test you next week, so that's why I'm letting you guys write down, okay? Write it in a separate book, okay? Done? Online students, don't write it in your workbook, okay? I want you guys to write it in a book, separate book, okay? Done? Don't need to write like a table. It's going to take more time. Just elements and then write down the elements. Chemical symbol and then write it down, symbols, okay? Because you don't have this in your book, do you? No, right? Done? Yes? Okay, online students, are you done writing? Sirirat, are you done writing? Sirirat? Hello? Kaimuk, are you done?
No, I just
Not
come in.
yet? Okay, okay. You can write this down fast. We have 10 of them for chemical symbols only. Okay, shall we move to next one now? Okay, I'm gonna move to next one, okay? Here, you can write this down again. There's like 10 of them, so. It's very important for you to know the chemical symbols because when you go to higher grades, right? We'll learn how to solve the chemical equation, right? If you know this, right, it will be easy for you to solve the chemical equation. Online students, you can write this down as well. Finish? Online students, are you done? Remember, okay, chemical symbol is the representation of elements here. Kaimuk, are you done, Kaimuk?
Yes.
Yes, so shall we move to next one? Now, I want you guys to write a chemical formula. That time, we wrote chemical symbols, right? Now we're going to write down chemical formula of these compounds, okay? For carbon dioxide is CO2. For hydrogen is H2. Oxygen is O2. Ammonia is NH3. Nitrogen is N2. Fluorine is Cl2. And sodium chloride is NaCl. You need to write this down. These are the chemical formula of the compound, okay? It's a representation of compounds. So I want you guys to write it down. Online students, please write this down, okay? It's tricky, right? Today we have a bunch of things to write down. Done, right? Do you like to study online or on-site? Which one is better? Online or on-site? Which one do you like? On-site? Finished, right? How about online students? Are you done writing this? Hello, online students. Can you please say something?
Yes.
Upur, are you done, Upur? You're Upur? Prao is not yet done, right, Prao?
Yes. I'm done.
Okay, I'm gonna wait, okay? A little more, and then we can move on to next one. It's a lot to write today. I think we won't be able to start the law of conservation today. So we will start this in our next class, which is next week, right? Carl, are you done now?
Yes.
Okay. Again, we have here. This is very important, so please write it down. Magnesium oxide is MgO. These are the chemical formula, okay, everyone? Chemical formula of compounds. MgO for zinc oxide is ZNO. Copper oxide is CuO. Hydrogen fluoride is HCl. For magnesium carbonate is MgCO3. Copper sulfate is CuSO4. Okay. Zinc nitrate is Zn, right? In bracket, you have NO3. Bracket closed and you have 2 atoms, right? Can you see these numbers, right? Small numbers here. What are these? Yes, very good. It's atoms. Okay, atom numbers. What is the chemical formula of copper oxide? You can look here. What is the chemical formula of copper oxide? Yes, very good. I'm gonna recheck the attendance, okay, online students? Because some of you joined late, right? I'm gonna recheck the attendance later on. Done? No? Finished? Okay. I think on-site students are done. How about online students? Sirirat? Hello, Sirirat. Done, Sirirat? Yes, I couldn't hear you, Sirirat. Are you done writing? How about Kaimo? Are you done?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. So next, you have question in your book, right? Which is page 42 and which is on page 43. So you're gonna write that down, okay? What is the chemical symbol? Who can answer that? What is the chemical symbol? Yes, very good. It's a representation of elements. Very good. So You're going to write this down. Chemical symbol is the representation of an element. Chemical symbol, right? So the answer here for the hydrogen, who knows the answer for hydrogen? It's very easy, yeah, H. Oh, sorry. Okay, it's like upside down. You can write it like that. Write this down because it's not there in your book. Hydrogen is H, oxygen is O, carbon is C, bromine is Br, aluminium is Al, magnesium is Mg, iron is Fe, nitrogen is N, calcium is Ca, copper is Cu. What is the chemical symbol of nitrogen? What is the chemical symbol of nitrogen? N, very good. What is the chemical symbol of bromine? Br, very good, right? Okay, we're running out of time, okay? Done? Are you done writing it in your book? Online students, are you done writing this in your book? Opor, are you done? Utu, are you done writing? Utu?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Yes, okay, Utu. So let's move to next one because we only have 9 minutes, right? I have to take attendance as well. What is the chemical formula? This is also easy. It's a representation of, no, not representation of what? Compound or element? Yes? What's that? Chemical formula is a representation of compounds, okay? Everyone? So I want you guys to write it down, this one. Chemical formula is the representation of compound that shows the number and type of atoms it is present, okay? You can write this down. For carbon dioxide, the chemical formula of carbon dioxide is H. Yes? Yeah, hold on. I didn't write O2, H2. Oh, hold on. It's H2O. You can write down. I will tell you the answer. I think I made a mistake here because I forgot to write down the number 2, right? You can write this down first. Chemical formula is the representation of compound that shows the number. Carbon dioxide is CO2. Second one is the hydrogen, right, everyone? Oh, hold on. Carbon dioxide is CO2. Water is H2O. You can write this down. I'm sorry, I made a mistake here. What about oxygen as O2? Right, O2 here. Oxygen is O2. I'm gonna write it for you guys. CO2. Okay, water is H2O. And how about oxygen? O2.
O2.
Yes, very good, O2. Br. Br2, okay, very good. What about zinc oxide? Is Mg. Right. What's that? Oops, sorry. O is capital, okay? I'm sorry. Hold on. MgCO. In the bracket, you have to put N. You wrote this down that time, right? Bracket close and 2. Do you understand my writing? Okay. I'm so sorry about this, okay? Done, right? Okay, let's check on online students. Online students, are you done? Kaimuk, are you done?
Yes.
Yes, right. Okay, so we are left with 1 minute. So I'm gonna check attendance, okay, for the online students. So I want you guys to remain silent. Okay, I'm gonna check the attendance. Please let me know if you're present. Stay present, okay? How about Tata? Is Tata here? No, right? Upur is here. Okay, present. How about P? Is P here? Hello, P. No, right. Kaimuk is here. Okay, present. Okay. Matthew. Is Matthew here? No. Okay. How about Dean? Is Dean here? No, right? Dean? How about Pat? Is Pat here? Okay, how about Pang? Is Pang here? Who is this? Number PN05. Is P? Okay. P, are you there? I'm taking attendance. Sirirat, which one is your nickname? Siri?